I didn't do the market highs and lows on Bitcoin. What I did do is take a trade. But I suggest that you do that. So you're welcome to do just that. But the thing, because I wanted to just, here I'm showing you how to trade currency and why I took this trade, etc. Make a long story short, I saw that it was going to be an upward trend. So basically what I did was, let's see here. Okay, it's not letting me minimize this. Hello. I don't know why it's not letting me. Okay. What I basically did was I went in. I saw, this is where I got in at. I saw that several fair value gaps were formed right here. I think I shared with you before that usually when I see a good move is when there is an order block, and above the order block it is a fair value gap, and then at least two fair value gaps above there. What happens is normally it'll come back down to that order block, and when it does, let me change that color because I don't want to confuse you. That's an order block. When it comes down back down to that order block, after penetrating those two fair value gaps, that gives me inference that it's definitely going to go back up. So seeing that, I didn't tell you where I got in at. I found this kind of late though. Let me be clear. I found this late, so I didn't get in until this level right here. It was a gamble, but not really, because I saw that it had basically, here is a breaker block right here. I saw that it had respected this breaker block, so I knew it wasn't going to come down and penetrate through this breaker block. So I saw that, I got in here, and then my objective was to, and I got out right here. And the only reason why I got out right here, okay, that's when I got out. Now, I really want to take, because really wanted to see, wrong one. I really wanted to see, let me go to Bitcoin. Okay, this is my demo account, as you can see here. I would start off with 1,000, and we got up to 1,800. But this is the trade I took. As you can see, I took this trade because I wanted to see what one lot size would be on this platform. So you got to test each platform's, lot size of value, because sometimes they're different. And basically, this is per, this is $1 right here. This is 10 cents. And this right here is a penny, $1.27. Okay, so we got, and that's what the trade came out to. Now I took this a little bit lower, but pretty much I took all this trade about the same time. Like I said, I wanted to test out 0.01, 0.1, and 1. Okay, this is technically a standard lot size. So this came to $1 on this platform. 10 cents here and a penny here. Okay, and you got to do that with Bitcoin, because as you can see, it shot up in the day, was at 88,000 on the 26th. Amazing. 90,000, let's say here on the 26th, and then went all the way up to right here. It went up to 98,000. That's 8,000 points. That's how Bitcoin rolls. So I just shared that with you to show the possibility of trading Bitcoin and what it looks like as far as lot sizes are concerned. Obviously, we do $1, moves much faster. But like I said, I took that trade. Like, here's the trade that I'm trying to go back to, the trade that I took. So you can see it. How it ended. That's on a, oh wow, that's on a 4 hour. Let's go to the 15 minute. Okay, cool. So yeah, so this is the trade that I took. So I took it right here, and I got out right here in that little spot right there. Generated $150 some, basically. Okay. All right. So just give you an idea of how it looks. Okay. I will see the top. Oh, top. Importantly, ching ching. I will see you at the bank. Yes, you can trade cryptocurrency using ICT strategies. Keep that in mind. That's the main lesson in the lesson I want you to get. Okay. Bye bye for now.